Hello everyone, welcome to economics class. From this year, you are getting one more subject, that is economics. In this, we are learning about how economics important in our life and how it works. Today we are going to learn the first chapter in economics, that is the story of village Palampur. In this chapter, we can know about the economic conditions in village Palampur. Palampur is well developed village. It is connected to neighborhood villages, towns and cities. People are using different types of transport to transfer their foods. Here, different caste people live together and do their respective works to develop the village. In one side, upper class people lived in center of the village. Their houses are built with bricks and cement. Another side, lower caste people, for example, SC/STs, which we are called Dalits, lived in a corner of the village. Their houses are built with mud and straw. The infrastructure of the village is well maintained. Well system of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools and health centers. In the village, most of the people are doing farming. Either some have their own farms or some are laboring other farms. As per there, we can find that farming is main production activity in the village. In the other side, some people doing non-farming activities such as small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Now, we are going to know what are the main things to organize of production. The organization of production are land, labor, physical capital, knowledge and enterprise. You may think that why these four are important for organizing the production. Land and other natural resources are important for any startups, either farming or non-farming activities. Doing work on that land to become successful, we need labor. For starting anything, we need physical capital, that is called money. It has two types of capitals, fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital means which is not movable. For example, tools, machines, buildings, etc. Working capital means transferring, for example, money on hand, raw materials, etc. For managing these three, we need knowledge and enterprise, which is known as human capital. In this picture, you are able to understand how organization of production use. Piece of land, labor, works with tools and labor has a knowledge of making weighing machine clothes. In India, of the people depending on farming due to know how land measures. Land measures in hectares. Hectares equals the area of the square with one side measuring 100 meters. Now, do you measure your school playground in the hectare? In India, not all villages are high level of irrigation. Deccan Plateau regions have low level of irrigations. Mostly farming is depending on rainfall. For farming, land is very important source. There are many ways to do farming. Some of these are very expensive. People use their savings for using the expensive farming techniques. But 80% farmers are not get sufficient funds to do irrigation. In villages, non-farming sectors are less than farming sectors. Now, people of villages aware and improve their non-farming activities too to connect with cities. Hope you understand the lesson, children.